Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cut trees and get timbers in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to prepare the pickaxe. Okay, like this, equip the pickaxe and then you're going to find a tree. Okay, for example this one, and then you just need to tap on the pickaxe to get the timber or to cut the trees. Okay, and trees need rest too, so we need to find another tree. Okay, this one. Okay, click on the pickaxe to cut the tree. Okay guys, and that's how you can cut trees and get timbers in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye.